just click this video because of the thumbnail, and you're expecting this is 1,000 ringgit. Is that what you really think of? Wow, this is 1,000 ringgit. Well, because you click this video, what is that microphone? Let's move on. This is Hollyland Lag M2. This microphone is very popular among the content creators, so I thought I would be trying this one instead of this DJI. Yeah, here guys. 399 ringgit, but I bought it on discount. 200, 289. I think you guys want to see inside, right? So you got this kind of three things. You get the receiver, who doesn't know anything about this one. Using magnetic like this. See? Ding ding ding. And here you get the sticker. You get the manual. Now let's see inside this package. Here the USB-C. Here's the windshield, and here the cable that you can connect to your phone or any of your camera. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, you guys are expecting this 1,000 ringgit, right?